shoe house as gorgeous as this? So safe and... Help! Whoa! It's gonna make a great slide! You won't get me! My shield is too strong! But even if my shield lets me down, I've got my shoe hiding spot! Designer shoe sale! Hurry up! The best price! Today only!
Wow! I need these shoes!
Sure thing! Great choice!
Oh, what a lucky day! Thanks, Sammy!
Wow! Sammy, help me choose, please!
Sure! Why don't you take these awesome beach shoes?
I take them! They're perfect! Thanks so much!
Sammy, I can't choose between these sneakers. I need your help too.
Woohoo!
Why choose? Take both pairs.
Ah, it's the best day of my life.
Sammy? What's going on here?
I'm giving away your shoes.
Huh? And why would a bear need my running shoes?
They're perfect for storing honey.
Sam, I need the answers.
Come on, Sue. All your shoes are super boring. Duh. So I've bought a new pair for you.
These are cool sneakers, but aren't they even more boring?
Ah, you don't get it, Sue. We're gonna paint them, and not just that.
Really? What do you mean exactly?
Thanks to this questionnaire, we'll paint the sneakers exactly to your taste.
Wow! I love questionnaires.
Yay! Then tell me what your favorite food is. I wonder what her answer will be. Are you curious too, guys? Come on, Susie. Don't make us wait.
Let's get started. Okay. I like cereal. A bowl of cereal for breakfast. The best start of the day.
Wow! I love it too. And what's your favorite shape?
I love star-shaped cereal.
Then this is the design I think you should choose.
Oh, I really like this idea. And the colors are awesome too.
I always choose the best for you. Now let's start!
No matter what you do, my sneakers are the best.
So, Sue, how is it going?
Great! It's like a coloring book. So satisfying.
Now it's time to choose your favorite color. I'm watching you, Sue.
Oh? Of course, it's the color pink.
Now, what pattern are you going to choose?
Just wait and see. It's gonna be a surprise.
Wow, how cool is that? I love Wicked. And what's your favorite movie, Sue?
I love movies about wizards and magic. I'm kind of a magician myself.
How did you do that? Please teach me, or should I start watching movies about magic?
Why not? After all, that's how I learned these tricks.
So I can do it all too? Abracadabra, poof! Wow, this is lit!
Just don't fly too far away, okay? We still have a lot to do.
Looks pretty, Sue, but where's all that magic?
Just give me a second. How about now?
Wow, these sneakers are so nice.
Hey, hands off! You already have a pair. Remember?
But I like these.
Sammy, what's going on back there?
Those sneakers are for Sue and Sue alone. It's nothing, Susie. Never mind. How about a chess game?
Huh? Chess? Oh wait, I think I've just got an idea. I think this one will do.
Still, I'll play that game of chess.
Surrender slime, I won.
No way! I'm gonna find a way to defeat you!
Go, Sammy.
Checkmate.
No! Oh, how come? Why? Why did I lose? You must have been cheating!
Such a drama king.
But I always win! It is so important for me! Huh? You finished? Wow, looks absolutely stunning!
Thanks, Sammy. So what's next?
Let's check! Oh, a school subject! Well, what's your favorite one, huh?
Let me think. Oh, I like biology. We study animals.
Noted! Then, what is your favorite animal?
Ooh, tough one. I like them all. Let it be the cheetah.
Great! Give me a minute! I'm sure you're gonna love it! Oops, I forgot to draw the spots. Just a sec. Are you ready to see the result? Ta-da! What do you think, Sue? Cute, huh?
Wow. Sammy, great job. This design is so cool.
And that's not all. I've got even cooler ideas. Guys, like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned.
Now, what shall I draw? Here. Not a clue. Huh? Sammy, what's going on?
Don't mind me. Just testing new emojis.
Oh, it's actually a great idea. Thank you. I'll draw a few smiley faces too.
Did I give you that idea? Cool! I'm a genius. I better take out a patent.
Okay, but first, take a look over here. Cool, huh? Oh, what about this side? Any ideas?
It looks like the questionnaire wants to know all about your hobby.
Oh, well, I like picking flowers.
Duly noted. So it's obvious. Draw a floral pattern.
Consider it done.
We still have lots of uncolored patches. Can I pick the next color? This one looks good, right?
Oh, I like it. Great choice.
While you're working, Susie, I'll go brainstorm more. What else does Sue like? Ah, I know. Me, her best friend. Let's draw me, Sue.
It's a great idea, Sam. But first, I gotta finish some details.
I can help.
Wow, that was fast.
That's because I'm a pro. Plus, I can't wait to see my portrait. I'll even pose for you. Make sure I look my best, okay?
Hey, Sammy! Wakey, wakey!
Did I doze off? Sorry. I guess I'm not great at modeling.
And I think you are great. Look at the result.
Thank you, I'm flattered. Hope you don't mind this pretty blue color. And this one will be pink. Sorry, but it looks like I need more time.
No problem. I've got other things to do.
Come on, it won't take that long. I'm actually done, Sue.
Wow, looks awesome. Guys, do you agree? Now, what should we do about these boring laces?
What? The laces are gone? You won't leave it like that, will you? It's dangerous.
No worries, Sammy. I just want to pick brighter laces. Which color will be a better fit?
Wow, so many. It's like a lace ocean. They all look great. Ah, I'm stuck. Help!
I guess the choice has been made.
I didn't mean to. Now maybe you could kindly help me.
You know what I always wanted to have on my sneakers?
I have no idea. More laces, perhaps?
Decorations! Why do we always decorate everything but shoes?
I like this idea. I can even share this yellow chain with you.
Oh, really? It looks perfect, Sammy.
Agreed. I'll bring more chains from my secret stash then.
How generous.
Whoa, it's a piece of art. I want to post it on my socials.
Maybe you'd better wait till we're completely done.
Dear subscribers, I'm gonna show you how we create the world's prettiest sneakers. Look at these decorations.
Sammy, they're not ready yet.
Oh, come on, you can't do it to me. I need to create content. Don't worry, guys. I managed to snap a few funny pics.
Ugh, that slime can be so impatient.
Cool.
Oh, look, this one's my favorite.
Sammy, please don't share those photos.
Okay, Sue, no more, I promise. Shiver me cheddars. Sue, you truly created a masterpiece. These sneakers will be ultra popular wherever you go.
Yeah, I really like them too. Both colors and decorations.
Hey friends, how about we take a closer look?
Let's do this. Sammy, I really gotta go.
Not yet. We need one more last fit check. Stylish sneakers? Check. Do I like the color of this skirt? Yep. The top looks great too. Also, check. We've got a problem here. I don't like the bag.
What? My bag? Not again. I don't have time for another makeover.